Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a different video because today's video is something that I have to make. Usually I film videos and I show whatever I want to show, but this video I have to make it because I have got an okay retro Commodore collection, and through my YouTube channel I have got in contact with a lot of retro collectors, Commodore Amiga, retro PC, console, stuff like that. And we're old people, man. We're old. And some of the collectors doesn't even use Facebook. Come on. Not even Facebook. I have got in contact with a lot of collectors here in Denmark. Now, Denmark was a crazy Commodore loving country back in the 80s and 90s. We just loved. We had Commodore 64s, Amigas everywhere, and it's pretty easy to find them here in Denmark. Okay, nothing is rare here, so that's great. To be a Commodore collector in Denmark, it's so fun. In today's video, some of my friends, they want to get their hands on boxed Commodore stuff. Not that they're for sale, nothing like that, but some of my closer friends, they know what I have, and one of the guys wants to buy this. Now, this is an overdrive Amiga PC MCA hard drive expansion. Now, this one, I mean, through the PCMCIA slot, you can actually insert a hard disk in this one, and the lines are just like the Amiga 1200, and with this connected, your Amiga 1200 looks like a beast. Okay, nothing I want to use, nothing I want to sell, but the guys are crazy about this. Don't know why, guys, but I said, yeah, you can buy it because I don't use it. I have no nostalgic attachments to it, so yeah. But before anything leaves my possession, we are going to open it up, make an unboxing video together, and document it on YouTube. That's my purpose. I love to document everything retro on YouTube. So if this stuff like this interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and we're going to the arcade, and we're going to make some unboxing videos together, guys. I am looking so much forward to this. Wireless joypad for the Commodore Amiga dash Sega dash Nintendo NES, wireless new in box. It ain't gonna leave my collection before we test everything. So again, subscribe if you like stuff like this, guys. We're going to take a closer look at this. But why am I doing this video? Why is this being filmed right now? This is the reason why. Here we go, guys. This box. This Amiga 500. I mean, look at the condition. This is not for sale. It has never been for sale. It's in my collection, and I love this beautiful box. I love what it contains, but guys, the offers are crazy, and the amount of Danish collectors that wants to buy this particular Amiga 500, if I gave you the numbers, you won't believe it. So you won't believe it. So I'm gonna film this. I'm gonna have it on my YouTube channel so we can watch this beautiful Amiga 500 unboxing together. And when that's done, I'm gonna contact my closest Amiga friends So this one will stay in the family, but I'm not that keen to selling it, but yeah, it's gonna stay in the family. But sometimes you just get too much attached to these old computers. That's actually something I'm against. So yeah, we're going to unbox this one together and have it on YouTube and say goodbye to it later. So let's just open this box together. Just so beautiful. I mean, I know we have remakes and stuff like that, but this box is the original box from Commodore. And okay, let's just take a look inside together, okay? Guys, look at this. Can you believe this? I mean, isn't it incredible? Okay, first, look at this. So we have got this beautiful menu, all glossy, all shiny. It smells great. It tells us about the A590. I venstre side af din Amiga ser du et udvidelsesdæk beregnet til tilslutning af harddiskdrev som ekstra udstyr. Wow, guys. Beautiful, right? But that's not it. Look at this. Still in, what's it called? It has got that foil plastic thingy from 1987 or 88, 89, I don't know, but it's over 30 years old, man, and still sealed. Look at the Amiga. I mean, guys, it's hard to explain, but for us collectors, Amiga lovers, you don't even have to be a collector, man. You just need to be an Amiga user today. You will love finding stuff like this. Look at this, guys. A brand spanking new Amiga 500. Isn't it just beautiful? I mean, look at, wait. Look at this. Of course, still sealed and everything, and wow, man. It's not every day we find stuff like this, so, oh man. One color. It looks great. I just wanted to show this to you guys, and again, have it on YouTube. This is, oh, we can actually see over here, A500. So this is a later model. This is maybe from 91, I don't know. But wow, it's just beautiful stuff, man. I love stuff like this. And you know, the manual's still sealed. Oh, wait. I will take out more stuff over here. Oh man, I don't wanna. There we go. 2 seconds, guys. Let me just open the left side over here. Oh man, look at the color of that mouse. Wow. It's so beautiful. The PSU, it's beautiful stuff. What is this? Guys, look at this. I remember I saw ads back then where this one wasn't included back in the 80s. I don't know if in the 90s, if this one, the A520 modulator, if it was included in the box, but I mean, great stuff, man. I truly hope you enjoyed watching this. you had the same feeling that I had in me. Because this, I mean, finding stuff like this, it's incredible. It has been on storage for 2 or 3 years now. My friends have been geeking out about this Amiga 500. I mean, oh my god, the offers that I've got. At one time, in the beginning, I could get an Amiga 1200 in even trade with this, and I said, no, I want to have it in a, new in box. It's great. I don't know if it's new. Okay, it's 30 years old. Somebody else could have opened it. Respect, but it feels, it smells, it looks like new. Everything looks like new, guys. It's wow. So yeah, but again, it's gonna stay in the family, so I can look at it, enjoy it when I miss it. But yeah, now it's on YouTube forever, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to say thank you to you all, and I wish you all a great day out there. Bye.